Welcome to Action Tour Guide, a smarter way of exploring. Can't find the password or instructions? Here, let me help you find it. Open the email app on your device. In the search bar, enter Action Tour Guide and you'll quickly locate the email containing your password. Still can't find it? Well, that's okay. Sometimes emails may not appear in your inbox, so check the All Mail and Spam folders. Still having issues? We're here for you. Don't hesitate to ask us for assistance. You can email us at support@actiontourguide.com or give us a call at 508-506-1844. And there you have it. You're ready to embark on your self-guided audio tour adventure with Action Tour Guide.